Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up availability on Calendly. First, we'll cover the basics of defining your regular working hours. Then, we'll explore how to customize your schedule with one-off availability and block out specific times. Finally, I'll show you how to optimize your booking experience with buffers and daily limits, ensuring your calendar works perfectly for you. Let's start with your regular working hours. You can easily set your standard availability for each day of the week. Simply choose the days you're available and specify your start and end times. Remember to confirm your time zone to prevent any scheduling mix-ups. These settings will form the foundation of your booking calendar, making it simple for others to find a suitable time. Now, let's customize your schedule further. You can add one-off availability for specific dates, perfect for special events or extended hours. It's also easy to override your regular hours for a particular day or block out time for personal appointments or holidays. Don't forget to set a minimum scheduling notice, like 2 hours, to avoid last-minute bookings. To optimize your schedule, consider adding buffer time, perhaps 15 minutes before and after each meeting. This ensures you have breathing room between appointments. You can also limit the total number of meetings per day, for example, 4 meetings, to prevent burnout. These settings help you maintain control over your calendar, ensuring a productive and balanced workday.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.